the parrot's unintended testimony. Location, Michigan, USA. The murder of Martin Durham in Michigan was perplexing until an unexpected witness emerged. Durham's parrot, Bud, began repeating phrases that sounded like the final words spoken during the murder, including, "Don't effing shoot." Investigators took the bird's speech seriously, as the phrases matched the events at the crime scene. While not directly tied to DNA evidence, the incident opened a dialogue about how animals, including pets, can be involved in solving crimes. The case demonstrates how even a pet's vocalization can be a critical piece of the puzzle when trying to solve a murder.